in the current carrying conductor A, O, C, D, E, F, G. Look at this. A, O, C, D, E, F, G. This is a current carrying conductor. The magnetic induction at point O is, see here, R1 and R2 are the radii of arc CD. This is arc CD and that of arc EF respectively. And I represent current that is flowing in the loop. Mu 0 represent permeability of free space. Mu 0 represent what? Permeability of free space. Now as far as magnetic field due to arc CD and that of arc EF is concerned, if I say B1 is magnetic field due to arc CD, B1 is magnetic field due to arc CD, which is actually what? Arc CD is actually 1/4 of coil, 1/4 of coil, and B2 is magnetic field, B2 is magnetic field due to arc EF at point O. So arc CD and arc EF, they are producing magnetic field B1 and B2 at point O. Actually this arc CD and that of arc EF, they are of radius R1 and R2 and they are quarter of a circle. Remember, magnetic field at the center of current carrying coil, it is given by formula. Magnetic field at the center of current carrying coil, it is given by formula B is equal to mu 0 into I theta divided by 4 pi r. Mu 0 into I theta divided by 4 pi r. Here for quarter of a coil, angle theta is equal to what? 90 degree. So any 1/4 of coil, any 1/4 of coil produces a magnetic field at its center and that is given by B is equal to mu 0 divided by 4 pi r, mu 0 I divided by 4 pi r into, for quarter circle angle theta is 90, 90 means it is pi by 2. So this pi get cancelled with pi and we have that formula for magnetic field mu 0 I divided by 4 into 2 is 8 r. So you remember that magnetic induction at point O, magnetic field due to arc CD and EF, magnetic field due to arc CD and that of EF, which are actually 1/4 of coil at point O. B1 and B2, they are in the same direction. B1 and B2, they are in same direction. Why they are in same direction? Because they are carrying the current flowing in the same direction, that is in clockwise direction. So B1 and B2, they are in same direction. B1 and B2, they are in what? Same direction and will get, therefore they will get added. Therefore they get what? They get added. So the resultant, they get added. So the resultant magnetic field, hence the net magnetic field at point O, net magnetic field at point O, B is equal to B1 plus B2. B is equal to what? B1 plus B2. Now put the value of B1. Magnetic field at point O due to 1/4 of coil CD of radius R1 carrying current I1, that B1 is equal to mu 0 into, see here, in place of I, we will write I1 divided by 8 times radius of arc CD, it is R1, plus B2 is a magnetic field at point O. B2 is magnetic field at point O due to arc EF of radius R2, which is actually 1/4 of a coil. So it is mu 0 into, here in place of current I will write I2 divided by 8 times of R2. 8 times of R2. Now what can be taken as common? B is equal to mu 0 divided by 8. B is equal to what? Mu 0. Since current I1 and I2 are same, so it is mu 0 I divided by 8 R1 plus mu 0 I divided by 8 R2, or mu 0 I divided by 8 is taken as common. So in bracket we are having 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, or B is equal to mu 0 I divided by 8. Now R1 into R2 is LCM. So in the numerator we are having R2 plus of R1. So what is the final magnetic field at point O? B is equal to mu 0 I divided by 8 in bracket R1 plus R2 divided by R1 into R2. Now see here, along with this circular arc CD and that of EF, we are having AO and that of FG. So what is the contribution of AO and that of FG as far as magnetic field at point O is concerned? AO and FG, they do not produces any magnetic field at point O because they lies on the same line as wire segment CO and that of DE. What I am saying? That the current carrying segment AO and FG, they do not produces any magnetic field at point O because they carries the current, because they carry or they lies on the same segment, they lies on the same segment of wire CO and that of what? DE. So the net magnetic field will be mu 0 I divided by 8 into R1 plus R2 upon R1 into R2, R1 plus R2 upon R1 into R2. So out of 4 options, look at option C, mu 0 I upon 8 into R1 plus R2 upon R1 into R2. So C is the correct option for this question. C is the correct option for this